freshly painted door. Nice. Big A's in there. Alrighty here. Do this all with one hand. Oh, kind of difficult. Yeah, I'll leave that for later. Whoa. Hold on, wait. Oop, still recording.
You guys can see what you're up to too, you know.
I'm eating my shrimp.
Well, go on up. Go on up and see him.
Rexy, jump!
Don't drop your food or your
Good
sauces.
job.
Would you like the last 2 little pieces of chicken nuggets that are in the kitchen?
What the heck's going on here? Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm okay. I already ate dinner and everything. I had a piece of pizza.
Did you recently get a haircut?
Yeah, I did. Kind of a. I put a hat on right now.
I like it.
Felt like it.
Yeah.
And we're vlogging today. So what's up to the camera, Mom?
Hi, camera.
Yep.
What up?
So.
What up? What
I
up?
just saw Austin run by.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, she's running?
Yeah,
She also goes like
Should we
this.
go try to find him?
Putting her
I was-
food down and she looks
I
south.
was literally bringing
There
my
goes Austin.
plate from like the kitchen to the living room, and he like ran by our window, and I was like, "Oh, Austin's going for a run again."
This guy just started running yesterday and he's acting like he's.
I know.
We got
David
to Costco
Goggins over
today
here.
When you guys must have just been leaving.
Yeah. Yeah. I went with the mom.
We were always like, why do we miss people when we come here?
I don't know.
They changed that place around so much, I didn't even realize they changed the registers around again. Oh, Lord.
Look at her. Look at
Roxy,
her.
smile for the camera.
Got some shrimp. Pretty good.
We need to start vlogging. We're gonna vlog this summer, me and her. So it's
Please do, you guys.
And then you can like watch all of our videos back.
Yes. Please vlog while you're at college too, okay, you guys? Send.
Oh,
I'm
isn't
so
that great?
ugly on camera, but send us lots of good stuff home, okay?
Isn't that great?
No. How do these
burnt.
feel to you guys, or do you need a different bag?
I think they're pretty squishy.
They're the jumbo ones, so.
I think we just need some graham crackers.
Yep, just graham crackers,
That was
okay.
inaccurate footage.
There is a whole thing of chocolate.
This is my cousin.
Yep.
He's going to Tennessee.
He plays music.
He
with,
lives
what
in
is his name,
Tennessee
Jack
and
White?
he goes in Tennessee.
Jack White's kid.
He's
Jack
going
White's
to
kid.
Yeah,
He
you know
plays music with.
You know who Jack White is?
Whoa! What the heck is this? Are these the?
That's just our like headshots.
Oh, nice.
Is it weird to go to the grocery store with my socks on and my sandals?
No, you're fine. Nobody cares.
Then I look down at Emerson and he's got his on, and I'm like, oh, okay, we're good.
Yeah, this is like style now. Socks and sandals.
Put a little 2026 banner. That's a little extra one, so I didn't know.
These are pretty.
Yeah, I just tried to do an okay job. And this is a
I think the flowers look beautiful.
board I got from
And she made
Goodwill a
cute
while
flowers.
ago, and it's a liquid chalk. So whatever you'd like written on it, or whatever. Doesn't
Mom's got the cardboard picture things ready for you too.
She made them?
No, she
Oh.
like ready for you to pick pictures.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Do you guys think that's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
Looks very nice.
Where's the
Blue.
boxes?
Oh, here. Those are right here. And then I got the banners there for you, and then.
These are the napkins.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Got everything in this place. Oh.
Roxy, the star of the show.
Still focused on you.
Oh, I forgot to shut it off.
I'll block your face so it focuses on Roxy.
What kind of wood and stuff do you guys need?
Dry.
Okay. Well,
Really?
no, in this purple one outside. Here, let me shut this. That blue purple tote here is all should be dry wood.
Alright.
Oh, and the garbage can too. Yes.
Oh, let's go.
Yes. And I'll go right now and grab you guys on graham crackers so we can make it later.
Do you want to grab? Do we have little marshmallows, like regular size?
No, those were scanned.
Can you just grab some more?
Taking a piss. Roxy's taking a piss.
Oh no.
Alright, so this is it. This is the fireplace. Fire joint.
Here, do you want to try your filmmaking skills out?
Is it just rolling?
Yeah. So, alright. Should we teach her how to use this camera? All right. So,
You have a little bit already.
all right. So pretty much all you'd have to do is keep me in frame, and then it'll track my eye.
It's on your eye.
Cool. And then I think there's a little shortcut if you press. Doesn't matter. Just make sure it's rolling like that, and
Yeah.
make sure the levels are bouncing,
Yep.
and then you should be fine.
I am a cameraman now.
There you go. And then you know how to zoom. You don't need to
Yeah.
hold that. Yep. And then you zoom. Zoom in and out. Oh, not that far. There you go. 360. What happened to the cushions?
Oh, let's get the cushions. Yeah, sorry.
And then you always put the camera on whoever's talking.
No, we're finding Roxy.
So if, like, say if I'm talking, then the camera goes on me. But say if Austin was next to me and he was talking, hey Austin, then you put the camera on him.
Should we go find him while he's running?
Oh my god. Should we tell him to come over?
Yeah, you can tell him to come over. Look, and then I can vlog in the selfie version.
Find Maya's house
Ooh, should we look at the text?
for the.
And then Emerson's gonna make these clips really clean.
Boom.
Oh, it's done.
Told him to come over. Although the sun's going down, it's getting a little chilly out. Here comes your
That's what
mom.
the fire's for.
I know. But here comes your mom with the. Oh
Here,
wow,
would you like
and
to
your
hold
dad.
it?
No, you have to film.
Oh.
It's your job.
Oh.
Don't trip and put it in the water.
Don't get me. Oh my god, that scared me.
I was just gonna be all on camera this summer. It's the last summer of high school. So we gotta record it.
Yep, that's great vlogging, guys.
Good idea.
Yes,
Oh.
very good idea.
Here.
And then if you want to stop it, you just press this button.
PC. Good.
Oh, I flipped.
I thought you were gonna come around the other way. Sorry.
I do have the tripod. If you want to hide.
Wow, prepared.
Well, I need to start using the tripod. So I feel like it's.
Roxy, no tricks on you. I came home from Minnesota with this.
Roxy's like in the jungle today. Roxy. She's just chilling.
Look how high she is.
You know, she's just chilling up there.
Oh.
Jeez, Roxy.
You get scared.
No, but the camera did.
She just jumped.
Yeah. So now you always have to be camera ready. Because I'm always gonna have the camera.
Well, I'm not camera ready.
You're camera ready. I'm seeing like all your
I don't think I'm
all your
very beautiful.
all your perfections. Right there.
I don't think I'm very beautiful right now. Actually, I took a
Welcome.
nap on the couch.
Welcome to my garden. Sweet. Gotta let Maya start the fire today.
Yep, have at it, guys.
Gotta make the video entertaining, you know?
Do we have a lighter?
Nope, you have to take 2 rocks and start chipping away.
Good luck.
Got pine cones in there, you got
Can I put some pine cones in the fire?
I put some on the bottom already, but you can grab some more.
and build it back inside. Okay, I go inside.
like a 3-minute video before you start the book.
You recording?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I don't know that it's. I don't know if it's gonna start. I just.
What the heck? Maybe I won't start something.
Should we still right here?
Yeah, that's what I just did.
Well, you gotta get it out of the wind.
Oh.
I want to pick up rocks and see something. this to take the top off, okay?
Yeah.
It's gonna be right down here.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, no. Okay, thank you. When I run,
Body training is on.
no.
Now it's nice and toasty over
wait.
here.
I need to find me
Look at this. Look at this fire, guys.
They've just been watching for the past 7 minutes, just us.
Look around.
be terrible at that.
This fire.
I need to
Wow.
get the sticks. Should I be a UW football player?
No, they wouldn't want you on the team.
No, but I don't like pose like that. I'm like,
Yeah, let's just turn the camera away.
freak out!
Dude, I love this. This is like, this is gonna be like a movie one day.
This is practice for when we actually go camping and we have to set it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You didn't even start the fire though. That doesn't count.
I know. Need to ask Mom where our sticks are.
Aww.
Freak out. Scoop them. You just scoop the couch closer? No, I'm asking. Like, yeah.
Fine.
What do you think it is?
What?
Mom and Dad could not answer. What? That's good.
First night.
Give me some run today.
4.58 so far. Fuck. It didn't feel good yesterday though. Fuck me.
Probably because you're sore.
Don't worry, we got you on camera.
We're gonna get some beer. Shit.
So fat ass.
I know.
And by the end of the summer, what you gonna be at?
I'm shredded.
Or in a month, I guess. Summer starts in a month.
Summer starts in a month? Oh, I don't even know.
What are you gonna be at?
For what, my mile time?
Wait.
Oh, I don't know.
Fuck this, man.
I don't know. Is that your goal of running?
What?
What's your goal of running? To get faster? Just for
Feel
fun.
accomplished.
Yeah.
Stop being fucking fat.
So it's to lose weight. So what do you weigh right now?
I don't know, I've weighed myself in like a month.
What's your goal?
Fucking to lose my fucking front chub, my cupcake top here.
Alright, well you can't drink all that fucking bush that you just got.
Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna drink all that shit.
See? Like,
I'm gonna drink that and then I'll be done for like another week.
the whole fucking 40 pack.
Hell yeah.
I just saw Mom come back. I mean, she has graham crackers.
I don't know what to say. I feel like I have nothing to say to the camera.
You don't have to record
Oh.
right now.
Should have fucking brought it to the.
She just wants to dance. Oh, also I cut this fucking dead cat. So it fit.
Can I add more wood to the fire?
Go get some more wood.
Okay.
I feel like this should be my job. I feel like this should be my job, Maya.
Well, then be the man and do it.
Alright, give me the fucking stick, though. Jesus. Give me the damn stick. Here, take the camera.
You want to be the man and get the wood?
So I don't look like a bitch on camera. Oh my, do you have the camera?
Yes,
Two
I do.
hands, two hands.
I had my other hand full. Okay, well, I would just like to inform you that Emerson is only doing this so that he looks manly. I would have done it as well. He's like choking. Yes, that's the driest wood we have. Wow, good pick.
Is that tattoo?
No, it's not a tattoo. I drew on my hand. Oh. Okay, no.
What are you two doing?
Okay, okay. I have good aim.
Yeah, he does.
Where's our stick? Oh.
My average pace today was at 9:24. God fucking damn it.
Slow ass.
Let's see the stats. Wow.
It's not even good for real. I did better yesterday.
That's what mine would say. She used to say that you had.
It's not pretty, but she gets the job done. Safety first, everybody. Did you burn yourself? No? Oh. Hey, get some on me, no marshmallow with it. You saw Joey's videos? Don't force the L. Oh. Joey? QB?
You said you didn't even know what the difference was.
You don't force the L, but let it happen naturally. Oh, fuck me. Seattle real strong for that.
Okay, I'm putting the camera down.
Oh. Where's my hand? Oh my god. Dude, what is my... Catch it in the palm. What? Catch it in the pocket. Catch it in the pocket and put your finger out. It won't hurt that. I thought you were throwing it to Mav at second. What? Firing it? Yeah, no fucking... It's like roll hop into it. You're like, fuck it. No, stop. God, it's out. You fucking no way out of that shit. I'm not gonna lollygag it over to him. Oh, fuck. Yeah, he'd be like doing bounce passes. Nab's like,
Oh.
fucking four. There is four. He's like, Maverick.
It's okay. It can simmer out. It just didn't want it to be like fully on fire.
I recorded it.
Smoky.
Pretty.
Here, Mom.
What?
Can you grab these? They're the ones that are like dirty.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Smoky's all
Got 'em.
heck.
Got him.
You good or need my help?
No, I'm good.
There. Oh, she's going through the garage.
What time did Austin leave? Or did he leave right
I
up?
feel like 9ish,
Oh,
probably. Around there.
9:30.
like, wow.
My eyes water because of the smoke.
That smoke is brutal.
Smoke all over the place.
Bottoms up, bottoms up. Feel like a
Very good.